Saturn has shattered astronomical records, unveiling a staggering 274 new moons orbiting the gas giant, bringing its total moon count to an unparalleled 364. This discovery propels Saturn far ahead of Jupiter, which previously held the title for the most moons in our solar system. But what makes this revelation even more fascinating is the sheer diversity of these moons. Many are irregularly shaped, and some are so tiny that their diameters measure less than 5 kilometers. These smaller celestial bodies are believed to be remnants of ancient collisions, offering valuable insight into Saturn's turbulent past. Moreover, scientists are theorizing that some of these moons may hold clues to the formation of planetary rings, as their gravitational interactions could have contributed to the creation of Saturn's iconic rings billions of years ago. The newly discovered moons also spark curiosity about their origins. Many of them are classified as irregular moons, which means they follow highly elliptical or inclined orbits far from Saturn. This irregularity suggests that these moons might not have formed alongside Saturn, but were likely captured by its gravity from elsewhere in the solar system. Such discoveries add layers to our understanding of how planets and their satellite systems evolve over time. What is even more remarkable is the cutting-edge technology used to identify these faint objects.